Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a really simple way how you can easily contact support in Faceit. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click Faceit support, and then when you're gonna click Faceit support here, you're gonna see everything, and then you have like, I don't know, frequently options, and then you have like also tutorial how to submit a ticket, but you just click on let's go with recover your account, my login details, okay. And when you click here and click whatever like topic you have, click like I clicked, click submit request, right? And then you just write here your email address, contact, Ben, Faceit profile, CSGO, game ID, subject, and voila. Here you got it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya. And you just submit it.